CP Group, Jarian Pokopand Foods Company Limited, is Thailand's leading agro-industrial and food conglomerate founded in 1921. As CPF conforms with international standards, it has expanded its investments and services to Asia and all over the world. CP Group makes use of its modern technology in all of its manufacturing process. Its operation spans the entire cycle of agro-industrial sector, from sourcing raw materials for its animal food production, to manufacturing animal feeds. The potential for expansion is great, knowing that 70% of the world's demand for shrimp is produced in Asia. The annual consumption is estimated at 3.6 million tons, while only over 2.7 million tons were supplied by shrimp farms worldwide. This objective was accomplished by the company through the innovative production method of probiotic farming without the use of commonly employed antibiotics. Farming has been an integral part of CPF, and the recognition and acceptance of its agro and aquaculture has always been its objective when delivering safe foods to its consumers. For this reason, to accommodate the requirement of BSP technology, known as Best Small Pond, CPF follows a layout for its grow-out farms. One example are the requirements of a 1-hectare farm, 2 culture pond, 1 settling pond, a treatment pond, a ready-to-use pond, and a sludge pond. From the source, water is pumped to the settling pond, dosing with disinfectant to settle down. From here, water is sent to the treatment pond, dosing with 30 ppm chlorine. After dechlorination, water is pumped to the ready-to-use pond and utilized for water exchange in the grow-out pond. As required regularly to maintain clean pond, dirty water is drained to the sludge pond and must be treated with probiotics and aeration. Surface water is then pumped to the reservoir and used for recirculation. Each culture pond must have diffuser discs, root blowers, and paddle wheels for better aeration. It is also important to evaluate the quality of shrimp products from the study of its production, as the hazards affecting quality could come from the whole supply chain. That is why CPF was able to develop a modern concept of shrimp farming, the best circular tank. This new concept aims to maximize the production of shrimps by maximizing its space that can create higher production in a controlled environment. CPF's focused advocacy on improved farming practices that seeks to raise the level of farm site management is geared towards producing higher quantities of farm yield per lot size without sacrificing quality. CPF believes that the concept of aquaculture's success lies in the 4 critical areas, which are biosecurity, environment, seed quality, and technical support. Biosecurity lies as the fundamental requirement on this 4 main set of practices to reduce the probability of possible diseases. Starting right to the entry to the farm, CPF makes sure to provide booth bath and sanitizer for the workers, provide filter for the water pump, build fences for the unwanted animals like crabs and frogs, and lastly, create bird nest to any flying unwanted animals, insects that might be a carrier of disease. Environment. The 3C concept is made to maintain the farm pond's friendly biological and mechanical filter process. clean pond bottom, clean water, and clean fry. The clean pond bottom ensures to pump out wastewater to sludge pond depending on the biomass of shrimp in the pond. This helps ensure that the pond is prepared for the next crop. CPF has adopted a policy of being eco-friendly not only within its operating premises but outside of its walls as well. This policy has prompted the company to employ methods to treat effluents and reuse it for recirculation. On the other hand, to achieve clean water, CP Farm Ponds uses filter nets to avoid entry of possible disease carriers. Proper dosage of chlorine for disinfection and wait for a short process of dechlorination before using the treated water. One of the most critical factors during the shrimp culture is the daily checking of its water parameters. Applying probiotics such as CP BioPlus, pH Fixer, and Super PS helps improve the health and growth of the shrimp by reducing the organic pollutants and increasing the non-pathogenic bacteria, which keeps the pond water disease-free. And lastly, the clean fry. Together with the seed quality for best culture system, CPF Group develops their Vaname shrimp fry from high-quality shrimp breed. By importing the turbo broodstock from the highly developed broodstock facility in CPF Thailand enables us to produce the best quality, pathogenic-free, and disease-resistant shrimp fry. From hatchery, shrimp is ready to be transferred to the culture pond. This is to ensure their shrimp produced to be free from virus, resilient from diseases, high survival rate, and fast-growing. One of the main strengths of the company for maintaining high-quality produce is their ability to process and produce their own brand of feeds. Blanca CP Feeds. With the company's innovative technology and research abilities, CP Group was able to yield high-quality feeds that helps the growth of the shrimp, increase its survival rate, and has good feed conversion ratio. Everyone has the right to safe and nutritious food. That is why Jarian Pokopad Foods Philippines Corporation believes that food safety is a shared responsibility. The company has been able to increase its range of healthy food products and develop other products as well that had been able to meet global trends and growing safety demands. CPF has dominated the aquaculture industry in the Philippines for decades. It has successfully developed a technology that allows a higher yield of harvest per area, guarantees a faster crop cycle, and employing a technology designed to control diseases, thereby ensuring profitable business returns with low capital investment. One of its main goals is to become the best producer of aquatic feeds, high-quality shrimp. The foreseeable future. Jarian Pokopan's group's contribution to the Philippines for social and economic change shall take the forefront.